Welcome to One Stop Safety, where we simplify safety management and help companies protect their workforce while staying compliant. As a sales professional, you have the opportunity to represent a powerful, subscription-based platform designed to solve one of the biggest challenges in construction and industry: managing safety efficiently and affordably. One Stop Safety is an all-in-one system that streamlines safety operations. Our platform includes training record management, job site inspections and observations, SDS management and storage, incident and near-miss reporting, equipment assignment and inspections, and QR code access for instant field use, plus much more. This is not just another product, it's a complete safety solution that companies rely on every day. Here's what makes this opportunity stand out: aggressive commissions that are paid on each and every invoice. This creates a true residual income model with long-term earning potential. This opportunity is ideal for sales professionals already working in construction, or contractors and industry professionals including safety managers and directors with established relationships who want to add a valuable, low-cost solution to their network. Our aggressive pricing model beats the competition and opens up the market to companies of all sizes. Let's not forget, One Stop Safety will be free for your company after your first sale of equal size. Join One Stop Safety and be part of a growing movement to make workplaces safer while building a scalable, long-term income stream. Start today and turn your network into recurring revenue. Head over to www.onestopsafety.com/sales to sign up today.